part of that is, sort of inherent to the model. And frankly, it's one of the reasons that I recommend, to all of our clients effectively, that they should go the managed route, because in other words, the advantage of the managed service route, from a commercial open source organization standpoint, is that you can put out exactly the same product and you are cleanly and clearly differentiated, right? Which is, hey, here's the product. If you want to go run it yourself, knock yourself out, right? Have fun. But if you want, sort of this project as run and instantiated and maintained by professionals, then, we're the people to come talk to you about that. So there isn't any sort of clean, there's, and you know this, and I'm sure probably many of the people sort of watching this know this. When you are competing with, sort of community and enterprise editions, there's always going to be that tension. There isn't sort of any clean way to look at it. But to your point, you do have to think about sort of, okay, if we make this, really inconvenient to use, and really inconvenient to sort of pick up and run with, what are the implications for that long term, right? Because typically it's not good, right? You're going to have, in probably in most cases, sort of problems with adoption, problems with usage, and problems with, essentially getting to the ubiquity that you want, and in fact need, for a lot of open source commercial models.